You're at V. There's Pluto. Venus' sister. Brother and sister here. And Pluto is more aggressive actually. Yes, alright, alright, alright. Alright. Trying never go away, aren't you? Just in case of seeds. I know you want more seeds. I know you do. But listen to me. No, listen to me. Stop going on about it. I can't magic them. Yeah, I know. Tickle, tickle. Yeah. That makes you make a funny... That's a funny noise you make when I do that. I hope the camera can hear that. That's a funny noise that is. That's a funny noise you make. Yeah. You're a funny one, you are. Never heard about that, him make that noise before. It's very cool. I'm appreciating this weather and the sunshine on the skin. Oh. You're appreciating it, aren't you, as well? V. It's all about you, V. It's all about you.